Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's one of my favorite things. It's just after 6 in the morning and all around town, all you can hear is snow blowers. It is pretty again. All right, well, it is Wednesday night, the 14th of Feb, Valentine's Day. Bree and I just finished dinner, and finally, we're getting some snow again here, at least at lake level. They're calling for maybe 4 to 6. Some forecasts are maybe saying up to a foot. I'm not holding my breath, but to be as clear as possible, where our snow stake is we are sitting at 7 on the snow stake from where I just stuck it in. It's actually probably gone up an inch or two already, but this is where we're looking at 9:25 p.m. So we'll see what it says in the morning. All right, well, it's the next morning, Thursday, February 16th. I'm definitely not holding my breath for more snow, but let's let the girls out and let's see what's out there. Okay. Trying to remember what was on that snow gauge last night. I think it was 6 or 7. Let's see where we got up to. Gotta clear this off. 9. So maybe a total of 5 inches. It's pretty funny because Bella may be getting older, but many times when we come out here in the early morning, she starts to really just kind of rip around because she just loves the fresh snow. All right, well, it's time to head out, start to get stuff cleared off, and get ready to go to work. All right, let's get this uncovered and let's get to work. Alright, let's go check out the back deck. Oh. Okay. It's heavy. I might fire this guy up, just because I haven't before for the season. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's one of my favorite things. It's just after 6 in the morning and all around town, all you can hear is snow blowers. It is beautiful out this morning. Haven't looked to see what the ski area's got. We got 5-6 inches here, so I'm hoping they got their foot that they expected. right. It is pretty again. Alright, we got everything cleaned up. We got 5 minutes to spare to get to work on time, so that's always good. So we'll just see what the roads look like getting to work. No wonder it's so clean right ahead of me. Just following the grader now. Alright, so here we have Heavenly and their website. So they reported 9 inches overnight, so that was, I think, a little bit more than what they were expected to get, so that's great. And then if we have a look, we'll cruise over to Kirkwood. They also reported 9 inches, so I think that's not that common to see both of those resorts get the same amount. Usually, depending on how the storms come in, one will get more than the other. But anyway, that should allow for at least a couple good days of skiing here. So hopefully we'll get out there tomorrow and we can enjoy a little bit of fresh snow. And then I also like to just come and have a quick look at the webcams. Doesn't look too busy over at Heavenly. And then over at Kirkwood, oh, their webcams are down.